Welcome to my channel. I wish you happiness and tranquility. We will talk about real life applications of colligative properties. What are colligative properties? These are the physical properties of solutions and depend on the ratio of solute and solvent particles in solution like salt in water, and these properties are independent of the identity or the nature of solute particles. Applications of colligative properties are in human body cells, plant cells, solutions like antifreeze, and usage of rock salt to make ice cream. Use of automotive antifreeze is also an example of colligative property for freezing point depression and boiling point elevation. As you know, the freezing temperature of pure water is 0 degrees Celsius, but if you dissolve ethylene glycol with 50-50 ratio in this pure water, then its freezing temperature is decreased from 0 degrees Celsius to minus 33 degrees Celsius, and that means now the water which was initially freezing at 0 degrees Celsius, now it will not freeze until the temperature like minus 33 degrees Celsius is reached. Thus it helps the car radiators from freezing, and same is applied to prevent boiling over of this car's radiator. Its second application is road salting. In snowy weathers, common salt is sprinkled on roads to react with water. Thus, it reduces the freezing point of water and leading to melting of ice flakes on roads. Same principle is applied in ice cream churn to make ice cream. Meat preservation using osmosis. You know, osmosis is the movement of solvent molecules from lower concentration to highly concentrated solution. Osmosis is a very useful process and it is used to preserve meat, turning them into jerky, that is, dried salted meat. So, what actually happens? Meat is soaked in a concentrated salt solution, which results in meat dehydration as salt draws out the water molecules from the meat surface. As a result, bacterial growth is prevented on the surface of the meat, and these bacteria shrivel up and die, so leading to the lifetime extension of the meat. Its fourth applications include dehydration treatment. Normal saline is 0.90% weight by volume solution of sodium chloride in water. It includes water and electrolytes in it, and it is used in intravenous drips for patients who have lost a lot of water, thus preventing the risk for dehydration. As normal saline has low osmolality, so glucose is added into it to prevent these problems. Thank you so much for listening attentively. If you have any question, let me know in comment section, and to watch my other videos on molarity, molality and ppm solution preparation, watch my other videos in this channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.